Get that American flag out there, Tab. Get that American flag, boys.
Uh-oh, you know what time it is. Woohoo! USA! USA! USA!
Bonjour.
Welcome to Paris. We arrived tonight and had an incredible dinner. Now we're walking around the Eiffel Tower. It is all decked out with the Olympic rings.
And the lights are about to come on in a few minutes, so.
Yeah. Trent, you've been working on this trip for a very, very long time.
Yeah.
How does it feel to finally be here?
Feels pretty good. Feels good to be standing where we're standing.
Feels good to be alone.
Yeah,
on
so
this street.
we have
Yeah.
we have
Nobody
police
else in the
access.
world.
So this will probably for the rest of the time. This will probably be the most empty the street is at this time of night. You can turn the camera this way, and it's actually pretty eerie. There's not a single person anywhere. This is one of the most busy streets and famous streets in the world.
Can you explain how we got this access?
So we basically booked an Airbnb that was in the restricted access zone, and so we used our proof of stay to get police access passes, and we then canceled the Airbnb, and we still have the passes. So here we are. Yeah, I mean, we're about as close to the action as you can possibly get. We're gonna use these passes tomorrow to try to see as much of the opening ceremony as we can. So 9-1 baby, let's go USA, let's ride.
We're at the Olympic boutique store. You can get all the apparel. Got the mascot over here.
We found
Bonjour.
our merch of the day.
I can't believe they have these.
Little
I'm obsessed.
Paris Olympic berets.
The store is awesome. They have so much.
We are walking to the opening ceremony of the Olympics. It's gonna be an awesome night. The parade is gonna be on the Seine River, and we're hoping to be right there on the river by the Eiffel Tower and watch all the athletes go by. It's gonna be awesome. Woo! USA, USA,
USA, USA.
The Eiffel Tower's right there. We're gonna get as close to the river as we can so we can cheer on USA and all the other amazing athletes and just enjoy this opening ceremony. Canada?
Canada, baby.
How is he looking?
Whoa, that's a girl.
We just got lunch and we came across this street race for biking. Trent, what was it called? McKenna, do you remember?
The police officer is called against the clock, which means that, but it's not right. It's like so lost in translation. Basically, this is a time trial. It's a medal event though, and every minute another biker starts. So every minute, just about every minute, if you're good, then we'll see a biker come by. So got one coming here in a few seconds. We're gonna get the camera ready for this one. But anyways, it's at the end of it. It's the medals are based on times, so people aren't racing against each other; they're racing against their time. So this one looks like they're a little slow. probably France, if I'm being honest.
Oh, USA!
It was USA. He was sweet.
I think we're zooming, bro. I don't even know what was I saying.
Pretty cool that we can just go out on the streets here and see this.
Yeah.
That's insane.
The whole city is just transformed into the Olympics, and
Wait, they're about to come back this way.
you just come across all these amazing sports, and most of them cost money if it's in a venue, but ones that are out on the streets you can just walk up to.
Oh, you gotta go.
Does that mean he's done?
Oh, I don't know. I think that might mean she's done though.
She's done.
I don't know. That wasn't USA though. Oh, this car's about to get rough. Maybe this is USA. No, it's not. Wait, yeah, it is. Wait, no, it's not.
Germany.
Oh.
We made it to the Louvre, the biggest museum in the world. Anna Ruth is excited. Why do you want to see the Louvre so badly?
Because of Fashion Week, and they have it literally right here. And so I'm gonna get to have a photo shoot.
Photo shoot time?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. Our flag bearer with the Olympic torch that was just put up in Paris. We are on our way to beach volleyball. It's gonna be right under the Eiffel Tower. We are so excited. Team USA versus Canada on the women's side. It's gonna be awesome. So our co-flag bearer, McKenna, get in there.
We. More like we bringing home gold, baby.
Yeah! Oh, flag bearer of the day, Trent.
Come on, baby, come on. You thought World War I was enough. You thought World War II was enough. You thought 2,800 medals is enough. Nah, it ain't enough. We're never satisfied, baby. We come here to take gold today and every day. Let's ride, America. USA, baby. Best country on earth.
Let's go.
Golly. Yeet. Look at that. Tower Day Eiffel. Oh, that might be the entrance of it.
This is insane.
Is this real?
This is the coolest sportsman you have ever seen.
USA, baby, we got the dub.
USA won 2-0. Complete beatdown by the Americans against Canada. Now it's time for match number 2. Incredible night here at Stadium Eiffel Tower. So cool.
Okay, Chaf, what are we doing right now?
We're getting late night crepes.
6 please, cardigan.
West Coast.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks guys. First crepe. Here we go.
What do you rate it?
Crispy. Good portion of Nutella, not too much, not too little. Still warm. So good. 9 out of 10.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. 10 out of 10.
Oh.
So good.
We're about to get ours. We got Nutella and caramel. He said, excellent choice. Just like that. I'm gonna give it like a 8.9. This is high.
It's pretty
It's
high.
a good grape. Better than Morocco grape me and Chad had last year.
Yeah.
I was on toilet for like a week after that. That's why I was real hesitant tonight to get one. For when in Paris. Don't get grapes in Morocco. Not worth it. There you
All right,
go.
McKenna.
Okay. That is a pretty good grape.
Oh, what do we rate it?
Pretty good grape. I don't know if I'd go 8.9. I'd say 8.2.
8.2.
8.2.
The coconut flakes?
So good. We have made it to center court.
And our seats are insane.
My battery at the end.
Is this real?
I feel very important sitting here. We got our own little box to ourselves.
This is made for us. You see these 4 seats? Roland Garros handpicked these seats out for us. Our names are on these seats right here.
Here's what I love about tennis. You just get your own space.
Hello vlog, final day in Paris. We are headed in right now to see archery at the Invalides Hotel. It's supposed to be a beautiful setting for this sport that neither one of us have watched. So it should be really...
Just played it on Wii.
We're gonna go check it out.
Incredible performance from Kazakhstan to tie that matchup. There's a tradition, you split the pie.
Splitting the pie. What does that even mean?
No, at first I thought it was like we're gonna get into a tiebreaker, but no, everyone just starts clapping. The funny thing about archery is no one here knows what the hell is going on. So multiple times they've had to explain the rules today to the audience, which I think is pretty awesome.
We've made it to the train station, our last stop in Paris, and we found our best friend. So we're gonna take a picture. Should we have him hold the American flag?
Wave that thing.
Wave it, wave it, wave it.
Yeah.
Paris debrief. We are on our train, leaving an amazing city. Guys, give me your favorite part of the trip.
Ooh. How do I pick a favorite?
I'm not gonna lie, beach volleyball was sick.
Beach volleyball was
Beach
electric.
volleyball, sunset over the court, Alpha Tower in the background. Watched Americans kick ass as always.
Pretty unreal.
Beach volleyball was incredible.
That was my favorite.
It was the perfect timing right at sunset with the Eiffel Tower. Overall, great trip. Love Paris. Olympics. Check that off the bucket list. Trent, this was your master plan.
Yes.
Yeah,
This is your
Yeah, my dream. My
Any
dream.
final words?
Go to the Olympics if you ever have the chance. You have to. So I'll be back.
4 years.
We'll be back. We'll be back. 4 years. LA, baby. And we're going to Melbourne. Or no, Brisbane.
Brisbane, yeah.
Brisbane.
Paris, we out.
Paris, check.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Le ciel bleu sur nous peut s'effondrer et la terre peut bien s'écrouler.